I'm gonna show you how you make payment by using WeChat. Also, same goes applies to AliPay as well. Alright, see you. Okay, so this is Weixin. Just key in. 多少钱啊？7块。哦，7块。好了，谢谢你啊。多少钱？
这个1块7。来2块5。2块5。Okay, so QR code. 2块5啊？对。So key in. And okay, 谢谢你啊。Alright, a vending machine with no coin slot here whatsoever. So here we go. Selecting a drink, QR code, scan. Buy. Loading. That's it. Right, here we go. Nice. Another one. So scan. Buy. There we go. Hey yo. Okay. Weixin. 我扫你。
啊。
收钱8到账3元。
好了，谢谢你啊。So that's how you use your WeChat to pay for your stuff. Now that's convenience in China. Hey.